If you want to connect to your hosting account through FTP, this video will walk you through the entire process in a simple, beginner-friendly way. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find your FTP details in Hostinga, enter them into FileZilla, and connect so you can upload or download website files with confidence. If this tutorial helps, please go ahead and hit the like button and make sure you subscribe for more easy software and hosting tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is log into your Hostinga account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the website section and click on websites, then open your dashboard for the website you want to manage. This is important because each website in Hostinga can have its own separate settings, so make sure you're working on the correct one. After you're in the correct dashboard, look for the file section and click on FTP accounts. This is where Hostinga stores the FTP login information you'll need to connect from an external FTP application. On the FTP accounts page, you'll see the details you need, including the FTP host, the username, and the password. Take a moment to note those down carefully because you'll need all of them in the next step. If you already have an FTP account created, you can use those credentials. If not, this is also the place where you may need to create or manage one depending on your hosting setup. Next, open your FTP application. For this tutorial, we're using FileZilla because it's one of the most popular and easiest FTP clients for beginners. Once FileZilla is open, you'll see fields at the top where you can enter your connection details. In the host field, paste or type the FTP host from Hostinga. In the username field, enter the FTP username exactly as shown in your Hostinga account. In the password field, enter the FTP password you found earlier. Then make sure the port is set to 21 because that is the standard FTP port for most connections. Before you connect, double check everything one more time. A small typo in the host, username, or password can stop the connection from working, so it's always worth verifying the details. Once everything looks correct, click the Connect button in FileZilla. After that, FileZilla will attempt to connect to your Hostinga server using the FTP credentials you provided. If the connection is successful, you'll be able to see your website files in the FileZilla interface. Usually, your local files appear on one side and the remote server files appear on the other side. From here, you can start uploading files from your computer to your website or downloading files from the server to your computer for backup or editing. This is especially useful if you need to manage WordPress files, update themes or plugins manually, replace images, or make direct changes to your site's files. One important tip is to be careful when editing or deleting anything through FTP. Since you are accessing your live website files directly, always make sure you know exactly what you're changing before you move or remove files. It's also a great idea to keep a backup before making major edits, just in case you need to restore something later. And that's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to FTP Hostinga, find your login details, and connect using FileZilla so you can manage your website files more easily. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.